You can upload, view, share, and edit files with Google Drive. To upload files, go to Google Drive on your browser and log into your account. Navigate to the folder where you want to upload the files. You can drag and drop the required files or folder from the Windows folder into the Google Drive folder. It's possible to drag and drop a single file, multiple files, single folder, or multiple folders at the same time. After you drop the files or folders into Google Drive, you can see the progress of upload that shows the status and the number of folders and files uploaded. When you drag and drop a folder or multiple folders, all the files within the folders will be uploaded to Google Drive. You can also use the New button at the left in Google Drive to upload files. Select File Upload. Navigate and select the specific file from your computer. Click Open to upload the file. Once the upload is completed, you will receive the Upload Complete notification. Follow the same steps to upload multiple files. After you click File Upload, you can select the files to upload them together. To upload all the files in a folder, select the Folder Upload option to upload the entire folder content. By this method, you could upload only one folder at a time. It is not possible to select multiple folders to upload together. Hope this video is helpful to you. Please subscribe to Clear Talking channel to get notified when new video tutorials are uploaded.